uMalema uthi njenge-EFF bazolisukumela kuze kube sekugcineni udaba lwepulazi likaMengameli wakulelizwe uCyril Ramaphosa, kanti-ke uthi lokhu bayokwenza ngisho uRamaphosa enganikela enkantolo ngalolu daba.
We are going to say to the court, in the words of the chief justice who gave the judgment, this matter is of national importance. Therefore, it cannot be subjected to a normal roll.
Uphinde wathi kukhulu okusazovela ngepulazi iPhalaphala.
I can tell you, it was not for the first time they were stealing money in that farm. They are used to stealing money in that farm. And that money, the other monies they were stealing, we never got to hear about it. We are going to hear about it at the impeachment. Even the people who go there at the farm.
uMalema uthi kumele kuqedwe nya ngendaba yesikhwama esixhasa abafundi iNSFAS.
Let's do away with NSFAS and provide money straight to universities, because they are the ones who register these people. They know how many of those people are there who need this money. And the people at the university, if anything goes wrong, we are able to go to their offices because they are with us in the campus.
uMalema unxuse uphiko lwentsha lweqembu iEFF ukuba lunqenqe abanye abantu abasha ukuba beye kovota okhethweni lohulumeni bezindawo mhla zizine kuLwezi.